Hi, did you know that hairs that won't grow is often due to genetics, breakage, scalp issues, stress, or nutritional deficiencies? Did you know that trying to grow your hair out can feel like an endless waiting game? Yes. Did you know that you will need patience to grow a thick, strong, and a mane hair? Did you know that there are plenty or other ways to encourage your hair to grow faster? Did you know that for your hair to grow faster, you need a protein rich food? You need to take a hair boosting supplement? And you need to use a hair growth serum? Well, now you know. This is Akuda's Beauty Parlor, and this is Akuda's Talk Show. We provoke your thoughts and we change your mind. I'm Lady Reverend Akuda. Let's get talking.